Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can invite your friends on your Instagram group chat only through a link. So here you just need to open your Instagram application, log in and sign in with your account. The next thing you need to do is just make sure that you stay in the bottom and go click into your home. Make sure that you stay in the home sections right here and take a look on the top right corner that could be these two icons, top the rightest one. And now just need to open the groups that you created. So here only the admin of the group who can invite someone else with the link on the group chat. So here you just need to click on the top side right here, and that could be like invitations link there. Go tap it. The next you just need to go click copy, and then you can just share the link through other social media, or you can also do by send in Instagram. So you will send the link by Instagram DM. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.